fire control. I'm on the scene. It's a one-story commercial. Looks like I've got smoke showing from the roof. I'm going to be doing a 360. Battalion-1 fire control.
Go ahead, Battalion-1.
I've got heavy smoke from an overhead garage door. Make this a commercial structure fire.
You're clear, making it a working commercial fire.
Command of the first due apparatus, come to the south side of the building, southwest corner. South side of the building, southwest corner. Ladder 3 copies. Command all units, we do have people in the building.
Turns on 45 Ops 1. Medic 2, Engine 2. Rescue 201, Ladder 201. American Crane, 145 South 22nd Street.
Command all units, we do have multiple people in the building who need to be rescued.
Medic 2, Engine 2. Rescue 201, Ladder 201.
Ladder 3 is on scene, pulling a hand on.
145 South 22nd Street on a commercial fire.
Fire Control at Chief 200.
Command all units, all 3 occupants accounted for and out of the building.
Rescue 1 to command. You want us to lay in?
Rescue 1, do not lay in. Come around to the south side of the building. We'll take your tank water to ladder 3.
South side of the building, tank water, ladder 3. It's clear.
I need the 3rd due engine company to stand by on the hydrant.
Fire Control Battalion-1, do you want a working fire assignment?
Yes, start the working fire assignment.
Ladder 1 on scene. Ladder 1 command, you want us back there?
Expert ladder 1, follow the path that Rescue 1 took. Come around to the south side of the building. All units, Engine 3 is stretching the supply line in. They do have fire in the building. Command all units, command's going to be at ladder 3. Command's mobile.
Turns on 45 Ops 1, Chief 2, Engine 541, Engine 201, American Crane, 145 South 22nd Street, on a working commercial fire, cross street of Buckeye Avenue. Chief 2, Engine 541, Engine 201, American Crane,
Ladder 1, I want you to set your stick up and give me a report on the roof and let me know if it looks like there's any fire in the attic space.
Ladder 1 copies. Fire Control Battalion-1, we have started your working fire assignment.
That's clear. Command all additional responding units, stage on the Buckeye. I need the 3rd due engine to find a hydrant and stand by on the hydrant.
Fire control at Chief 540. Engine 541 fire control en route.
3359, I can't check out.
Battalion-1 fire control.
Go ahead.
360 is complete. I've got a 150 by 300 building that's 1 story. Engine 3 is making an attack with an attack line at this time. I got Rescue 1 backing him up with a second attack line. And I got ladder 1 going to the roof. Keep everybody coming.
Your car's gonna be 145 South 22nd Street. It's gonna be American Crane.
Fire control battalion 1, 360 complete, 150 by 350, 1 story structure, engine 3 attacking ladder 1 to the roof.
Good.
Would they like us 2-7 or no?
Alright, I got Rescue 1 coming in behind you. I need a quick assessment to know if we have extension into the attic space. Alright, doesn't look like it.
Yes. Fire control engine 541 and Chief 540 did copy, we're en route.
Hey,
45 Office 1, Engine 52, American Crane.
Rescue 1 to command.
22nd Street on the working commercial fire.
Good.
Across the street of Buckeye Avenue.
There is no extension in the attic.
22nd Street on the working commercial fire.
Rescue 1, repeat that.
There is no extension in the attic. No extension in the attic.
Alright, copy. No extension into the attic.
Ladder 1, command.
Go ahead, ladder 1.
Just confirming with the rescue, we do not have any significant heat signatures on the roof line up here.
Alright, I copy. Command Engine 2, what is your location?
We're exiting 79 to main.
Okay. You may be the next due. Stage at the hydrant at 22nd and Buckeye. I don't think we're going to need it, but just hold there. All additional units, stage on Buckeye.
Ladder 3 to command.
Go ahead, ladder 3.
What's your location, Chief?
I am at ladder 1.
Alright, I'm going to come out and have a face-to-face with you. Rescue 1 and Medic 3 are in here with the balance of my crew. We do have the fire knocked down.
Alright, I copy. You're heading out. Balance of your crew is tied up with Rescue 1 and Medic 3.
Fire control battalion 1.
Go ahead, fire control.
Be advised your card is full and we have PD started.
That's clear. Would you go ahead and mark? I do have PAR on the fire ground.
Fire's all knocked down. It's like some carpet samples.
You're clear, par on the fire ground.
We're pulling that stuff apart and hosing it down. Do you want us to leave it in place or bring it out so we can hose it down? I didn't know if you wanted us to leave it in place for 10 minutes.
Let's leave it in place for a few minutes. Let me talk with them and see if they can tell me what's going on.
Okay.
We're going to get some fans.
Yeah, we get some fans going there. We can probably go off air. It's not bad in there at all, really.
You think we can contain this?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Yep.
Fire 14, 540, mistake.
22nd Command of Fire Control.
Go ahead.
We have a situation contained here. Tie up the Newark units. All mutual aid units can be in service.
Situation tying up all Newark units.